Let's go over how to use GeoGebra to calculate the descriptive statistics for a dataset. As you can see, I have a question here about how many hours of sleep people get. This is the data of interest here in column A. So I'm going to select that column and then come up here to this button that looks like a histogram. Selecting it, I'm going to choose one variable analysis. And that opens up a panel over here. You can start to see it on the far right of the screen. It's a histogram, but I'm going to grab this slider and move it over so that I can just see it. This isn't quite what I'm after, so I'm going to come to this button, Show Statistics. Selecting that opens up another panel. Again, to complete my view, I'm going to slide it over. You can see that I have three panels open now. On the far left is the data. In the center panel are the descriptive statistics. And in the right panel, the histogram.